So we have 4 licenses, that 4 individuals have been given licenses, and different investments have been made at different levels. Equipments have been placed at those, and in certain levels, certain level of mining has started. In fact, there was one instance where we had sent and flagged off the scientifically mined coal in a certain batch. Twice that has happened, in fact. And now the further investments, as I said, in the equipments are taking place, so that the mandate is met and the scientific mining takes place. Approximately, I don't remember the exact numbers, I apologize for that, but about 17 to 20 more applications for licensed mines is lying with central government. I expect those procedures, now that the kind of the SOPs are clear and the first 4 were cleared, which was the most difficult part, I expect that the other 17 or 20 odd applications, and many more now coming in, should be getting the licenses also very soon. So it's a process. As I said, it's a new system, new technology, new procedure. So therefore, it took some time for us to get into place. But I would be not wrong in saying that the more difficult part is over for us, and now it's just a question of expanding it and involving as many more miners as possible.
So we have seen